Hey there, everybody. My name is Justin Davis. Day one, Drone Command Live. Some of the best training I've ever received. Just a well-rounded uh, bunch of information this morning that I know is going to help me be successful in my business, and will help you be successful as well. Uh, I can't wait for the rest of today and the next 2 days of phenomenal training coming up. Hats off to these guys and Diego and Damon and the information that they share. They are have so much knowledge in their individual industries and so much that they're willing to share, um, with those of us who they don't know, but they're willing to help lift up. I appreciate that so much. Uh, Thank you, Damon and Diego, for all that you do, and I would recommend anybody take this course that's looking into that it has a drone business or is looking into creating a drone business. Thanks.